Customer came in with an iPhone 14 Plus that had recently been taken to a local repair shop to get the back glass fixed after a drop. The shop managed to repair the back glass, but when the customer got the phone back, the volume buttons weren't working. They couldn't lower the volume or even shut the phone off. To make things worse, the vibrator wasn't working either, leaving them with a phone they couldn't turn off. When the customer went back to the repair shop to complain, the technician claimed that the phone had already been like that when it was brought in, and there was nothing they could do to fix it. Frustrated and feeling like they'd wasted 4 hours, the customer left with their phone in worse condition than when they brought it in. They shared this frustrating experience with a friend who recommended they come to me instead. When they brought the phone in, I could immediately tell what had gone wrong. The previous technician had accidentally clipped the connectors for the volume buttons during the repair, which caused all the issues. I was able to fix the problem quickly, getting the volume buttons and vibrator working again. The customer was relieved to finally have their phone fully functional without any further hassle. This situation really shows how important it is to handle repairs with care, especially with delicate parts like the volume buttons. A small mistake can lead to big problems for the customer.